So I always wanted to be a teacher. I remember since I think I was 3 years old, I'd line up my siblings on our kitchen chairs and practice teach on them. I hope they're okay. And I always knew I wanted to be a teacher, be in education, and my passion was children. So I made those dreams come true. After my undergraduate degree, I enrolled in the early childhood education program at Mohawk College. The faculty were so supportive. And the really cool thing that we still do to this day, of course, is we have placements. So I got into the field to see what it's like to be an early childhood educator. I knew that's what I wanted to do. And then right from graduation, I got hired at Mohawk College, and I haven't left yet. I joke that I should be the Mohawk mascot or cheerleader because my whole career has been here, and I do love it. And when I think about why do I love Mohawk so much, it's certainly the people, but it's the collaboration, the community, the connectedness. And for all of the years that I've been here, the thing that really gives me passion, of course, besides the joy of the students, is the community piece. We're a community college. And I'm very involved in our early childhood education community. It's a passion of mine, and that's always been a support. And because of that, it's win-win for the students. So it's, the Mohawk community, but it also extends to our community, our partners that are so valuable to the success of our program and ultimately of our students. I think the first thing I would always say to anyone thinking about becoming an early childhood educator, certainly you have to have a passion for children and learning and be committed to lifelong learning. We're educating the next generation. I tell our students all the time, we are brain shapers. So when you go home and say, well, how was your day? Oh, I was just shaping some brains today. Because that's what we're doing. When we're brain shaping, we're making that connection. You have to want to continue your education and your lifelong learning. It never stops. To be an early childhood educator, it's really a gift. Again, we're the educators of every other profession, right? We educate teachers, we educate firefighters, we educate librarians, whatever children grow up to be, we were part of that journey. We have to make sure we keep ourselves updated, educated, current research, brain research, which is also my passion, and infant and children's mental health. I'm very involved in that in our community. It's my job to stay informed, share it with my students so they can do the best with the children that we care for. It's a lot on our shoulders. It's a big job. I say to my students, I don't know why people don't clap when we walk in the room. That's how awesome we are, early childhood educators. Certainly it's the students, of course, but it's being in the classroom and the energy and the excitement. And I certainly, I joke with my colleagues that I know I'm supposed to be here for the students and teaching and guiding and learning, but I have such an amazing time. It's such a reciprocal. I'm so blessed and fortunate to be part of their learning journey. Taking a concept and how can I make that concept meaningful and get it across to the students. So I love the challenge about how am I going to get the theories of Freud and Piaget and brain development, how am I going to get this across in a meaningful way that's going to stay with the students? I love that challenge, and I won't leave until I get it done. It's the best job ever. I'm a yogi, love yoga. I love to golf. I'm a walker, reader, and really, just being with family and friends. This may not come across, but I'm pretty social. My first career choice was a Hollywood actress, but I have no skills or ability or talent. So I tease with my students all the time, if I don't show up one day for class, I've been discovered, so carry on without me. But I really think about how I've been able to make my dream come true. When I was 3 years old, I wanted to be a teacher, and here I am. It doesn't get any better than this. It really doesn't.